Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The Ooni of Ife and Arole Oduduwa, His Royal Majesty Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi Ojaja II, has described Chief Ayiri Emami as a committed traditionalist and custodian of the culture and heritage of the Shekiri people of Warri Kingdom in Delta State. According to the Ooni, who visited Chief Ayiri recently in his residence in Delta State, his respect for him stems from the fact that Chief Ayiri will go to any length to defend and ensure that the tradition and culture of his forefathers is not tainted in any way. This seemingly innocuous visit of the Ooni to Chief Ayiri, who was stripped of his Ologbotsere title by the Olu of Warri, Ogiame Atuashe III, over a year ago, is already ruffling feathers and unsettling so many people in the Shekiri nation, who see the visit as one that gives credence and credibility to Chief Ayiri, who continues to insist that he remains the Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom. The visit of the Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi Ojaja II, to Chief Ayiri Emami in his residence in Warri, Delta State, was supposed to be a private and rather quiet visit, but it has turned out to be controversial, as the Ooni's reference to Chief Ayiri as the Ologbotsere and traditional Prime Minister of Warri Kingdom is seen by some Shekiris as an endorsement of Ayiri's rebellious posturing towards the Giniwa royal family, and indeed the process that led to the selection and coronation of the current Olu of Warri, Ogiame Atuashe III, who has since stripped Ayiri of his Ologbotsere title. For the Ooni of Ife, who would prefer that peace reigns amongst all feuding parties in Warri Kingdom, replacing a man like Chief Ayiri as Ologbotsere would be a very difficult task.
Ologbotsere, Chief Ayiri, you have a lot of role to play in your kingdom. You don't have anywhere to go to. You, as the Prime Minister, of the entire Warri people, he is a mirror of the entire heritage of the Warri people. It's very difficult to replace such a person. Very difficult because of what he does. He carries it in his head. He doesn't joke with it. He knows what to do at the right time. He's been in the system, not now.
The Ooni of Ife prayed to his ancestors to bless Chief Ayiri for his firm commitment to protecting tradition, culture, and heritage of his people.
His commitment to our tradition, heritage, and culture is something I don't joke with. And that's the reason why, as Arole Oduduwa, I said I will come and greet and pray for Ologbotsere. And I know that the spirit of our ancestors from the land of Iwere people, they will continue to bless you. This is bitter cola. Ologbo, you will live long. Ologbotsere, you will live long. You will live long.
Chief Ayiri thanked the Ooni of Ife for the honor of visiting him. He said his current travels with the Shekiri royal family were all geared towards preserving laid-down customs and tradition.
Whatever I've done is the message that they sent me. And that message cannot kill me. That's what he said in Shekiri. He said,
That's the same way they pronounce it in your version.
Meaning, I'm not the author of whatever I'm doing today. It's what has been laid down. And I'm doing that job for Ologbotsere. I will end it on that.
The visit has been attracting reactions from several quarters. In a letter to all sons and daughters of Iwere land, Chief Mrs. Rita Lori Ogbebo, the Igba of Warri, described the visit as very embarrassing to the Shekiris, the Ooni, and indeed the Yoruba nation. She, however, affirmed that Ayiri remains stripped of his title as Ologbotsere and a chief of Warri Kingdom. In his own response to Chief Rita Lori Ogbebo, spokesperson for the Ologbotsere descendants worldwide, Comrade Alex Enyengo, described Chief Lori Ogbebo as a meddlesome interloper whose stock in trade was to promote crisis within the Warri Kingdom. He asked the Shekiri people to ignore her, as both the Ooni of Ife and the Olu of Warri are interested in bringing peace to bear in Warri Kingdom. Comrade Enyengo insists that Chief Ayiri remains the Ologbotsere of Warri, as the Guinea One ruling house that suspended Chief Ayiri lacked the authority to do so. It will be recalled that following the demise of Ogiame Ikenwole, the 20th Olu of Warri Kingdom, the Guinea One ruling house has suspended Ayiri and reconstituted the Olu's Advisory Council, which went ahead to conduct the selection and eventual coronation of Ogiame Atuashe III on the 21st of August 2021. Chief Ayiri is currently in court challenging his suspension by Guinea One ruling house and praying the court to declare the action null and void. If the court grants Ayiri's prayers, it will mean that all the processes of selection and coronation of Ogiame Atuashe III will be deemed to be null and void. Except an amicable settlement is reached, the case is destined to get to the Supreme Court, and there is no telling in which direction the pendulum will swing.
Inside the Niger Delta,